Welcome back to the E-Teen Lab. Today I'm super excited to share with you how you can offer and sell your virtual service and make money on a site called Fiverr.com. Let's do this. All right, if you didn't already know, Fiverr is one of the largest freelance marketplaces in the world, connecting businesses with freelancers. And teens can get started as early as 13 years old, offering all different types of services. Whatever you do in your niche, you can turn that into a service and offer it and sell it on Fiverr.com. So what do? If you can teach someone how to play an instrument, you can teach someone how to apply makeup, you can teach someone something, you can teach someone how to game, you can provide a service for someone, like you can design things for them, like a t-shirt design or logos for their website or their blog. You can write essays, you can teach someone how to communicate, like public speaking, you name it, and it's on Fiverr. The first thing you want to do though is head over to Fiverr and just do a search for whatever your niche is. And when you're ready to list, you'll find whatever you do, I'm sure it's on Fiverr. You want to use those listings as an example to how to list yours. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel to do this. Let me pull up something over here on Fiverr right now. All right, let's check out public speaking. Okay, public speaking, and see what pops up here. All right, results for public speaking. $30, $20, $30. You see the pricing here too, right? You can use these as examples as well. Let's go to I'll be your public speaking coach. All right, let's go to this one because it looks interesting. I will be your public speaking coach for online content creation. Interesting. All right, this person only has one package. It's $20. A live Discord video chat. You guys familiar with Discord? I am. I like Discord. I don't use it. My kids do, but but it's really effective. Anyway, 60 minutes, one lesson, $20. And then you'd read everything. Read everything about the gig. Read about the seller. Hi everyone. I'm a Twitch content creator. So this person uses Twitch and uses Discord. This is just one example. And again, whatever your niche is, all right? So let's head back to the Fiverr search and we'll do one more, okay? Let's look up how to play guitar. How to play guitar. Anyone out there play guitar? I do. I play guitar. All right, so let's see here. $15, $50. I will teach you how to play guitar in any style. $50. You'll see there's an array of prices here. $5. I will find the guitar chords for your song and teach you how to play. Now you might be asking, my goodness, why is there such a huge difference in some of these prices? And you'll see this across the board, across all of Fiverr. And the difference is, well, there are a couple different factors that play into this. If the person is new, just getting started, and wants to offer their services really cheaply just to get it going, they'll offer, like this one right here. This person, this Wolverine Wolf, there has 5 reviews, 5-star reviews, probably just starting at $5. The more experienced players, this one is starting at $50 and only has 1 review. All right, so that's one factor. So it's being a noob versus a pro or an expert. But the other thing is, where are they located in the world? Now, I've hired freelancers for my businesses, and I've spent between $5 and $100, which I think those are very cheap prices for the work that I got for my businesses. For example, I hired someone to create videos for me for my Facebook ads. I sold a doggy water bottle and I did ads for it on Facebook, but I didn't have video content. I just had pictures of this doggy water bottle. So I reached out to a freelancer and asked him to create for me 2 videos, 30-second videos. And all I did was give him the link to the product. And he found videos for me all over the internet. And he pieced them all together and made a couple of really cool videos for me, 30-second videos. I paid $25 for that. What is the reason? Why am I telling you this? Because he was located in the Philippines, and he probably spent 3 to 4 hours piecing these videos together for me. Now, $25 in the Philippines, 25 USD, 25 American dollars goes a long way in the Philippines. On the flip side, in the United States, $25, as you know, doesn't go that far. All right, so $25 for 4 hours or 5 hours of work isn't that much, but $25 in the Philippines is a lot. And this person who did this work for me was a professional in the Philippines. So again, I paid him $25. I was very happy with the outcome and with the product. Again, it all depends on, the level that they're at, and it depends on where they are in the world and what you're comfortable with paying. As a business owner, I wanted to just try his services. There were other sellers, other freelancers in the United States who were offering their services doing the same thing, but their prices were substantially higher. And again, I wanted to try them out. So what did suffer though, and this I'm going to tell you right now, and I would pay for someone who speaks and communicates in English well. I would pay more for that, because the freelancers who I've used from other countries, there was always a communication gap. There was always an issue with something in communicating, and I had to fix the language or the grammar in some of the texting. So there was some extra work on my end, but that was a risk I was willing to take. So I did spend some extra time. So when I use Fiverr, again, I've used it about 5 or 6 times. When I use it again, I'm going to be looking for someone who can communicate better, and that'll probably cost me more. But anyway, those are the factors. That's why there's such a price difference. There are people from all over the world using Fiverr and offering all different types of prices, but you can get started. And I'll be honest with you, look, someone is with this $50, someone did pay it, and maybe more people did pay this. It all depends on what you're offering and what your niche is. Specifically, you could be offering something that no one else offers, and you can charge a premium price for that. So if there's something specific, like creating code in a specific game, or a specific, like teaching someone how to play hopscotch, and if hopscotch isn't offered on Fiverr, let me just look that up. That'd be really interesting if this was hopscotch. Let's see if this is on here. If your service is teaching how to play hopscotch and no one offers it on Fiverr, you can charge whatever you want to charge. So that's my point though. But let's look up, I just want to show you some real quick. Makeup. So there are things like this. If you're starting a makeup blog or a makeup vlog, you go to Fiverr and you look at this. People are teaching. I will film a customized makeup tutorial for a video for you. $15. I mean, how long would that take you? I don't know. Would it take you 20 minutes to do? You make $15 in 20 minutes. That's pretty good. $25, $90. I will create a makeup tutorial video using your product. Oh, interesting. Okay, that's someone who's marketing their own products. That's fine. I will do makeup lessons and tutorials. I will create makeup and beauty tutorials for your page. So, okay, that's kind of creepy. Okay, but let's go back here. But anyway, whatever you do, whatever service you offer, if it's a virtual service, obviously you can't offer to rake someone's leaves on Fiverr.com or pick up someone's groceries. But if it's a virtual service that you can do remotely for someone else, yeah, go to Fiverr, make it happen. Okay, my advice for you once you get started on Fiverr, let's go here. Let's go join Fiverr. Okay, let's go continue with Facebook. I'm in. So this is my account now. So anyway, my point is that you can make money doing this. And this is a great place to start if you're 13 years or older. But here's my advice. Once you get started, make sure that you are offering quality content. Make sure that you are putting time and effort behind your work. Once you list your listing and people communicate with you, make sure you communicate back with them in a timely manner and be professional with them. And that is the way you will grow a successful business on Fiverr. One last thing. Once you have your listings up, you want to go over to Facebook groups, Facebook pages, and blogs, and just do some searching. Search for groups on these pages. Search for conversations people are having, and become members of these groups and offer valuable content. So do not, I'm going to say this again, do not try to sell your services right away. You want to offer free content, or you want to offer your help in these groups and on these forums for free. And eventually you're going to notice people will start asking questions on how to do certain things, and you can then swoop in and say, hey, listen, I offer this service on my Fiverr profile. Here it is. Go visit my Fiverr profile if you'd like me to help you out with whatever you need help with. So I know I'm giving you a lot of stuff here, but this is all related to selling and making money with a virtual service. And there is another website that you can look at that's comparable to Fiverr. It's another very popular one called Upwork.com. But there are other platforms like this, not many, but like I said before, Fiverr is one of the world's largest freelance marketplaces. So take advantage of that. I wish you the best of luck with this, and please keep us posted on your success. Or if you have any questions, go over to www.eteenlab.com and stay connected with us. And just to let you know, I'm going to be doing some giveaways. So if you're not a member of the course yet, of the site yet, be sure to become a member soon. All right. So good luck, and I will see you next time. JP out.